Hey there, creative minds, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about Midjourney, an amazing AI-powered image generation program, and how we've created a template to help you craft perfect prompts to bring your creative ideas to life. So, buckle up and let's dive in. First, let's discuss what Midjourney is. Midjourney is an AI program that generates images based on natural language descriptions called prompts. It's similar to OpenAI's DALL-E and Stable Diffusion, but is accessible through a Discord bot or by inviting the bot to your Discord server. You can create incredible and unique images just by typing a prompt and letting Midjourney work its magic. Now let's talk about the template we've developed. We've identified 6 elements that, when combined, help you craft a comprehensive and effective prompt for Midjourney. These elements are medium, subject, location, action, style, and parameters. By using this template, you'll be able to communicate your ideas more effectively to the AI, resulting in better image generation. Let's go over each element. Medium. This refers to the type of visual representation you want, such as a photograph, illustration, or cinema still. Subject. This is the main focus of the image, like a character, object, or scene. Location. This sets the environment or context for the subject. Action. This describes what the subject is doing or any interactions between subjects. Style. This indicates the artistic style or influence you'd like the image to have. Parameters. These are specific settings or options that can modify the image generation process, such as aspect ratios or chaos levels. Now let's put our template to the test with an example. A steampunk barbarian. Let's fill in each element for this prompt. Medium, digital illustration. Subject, a fierce steampunk barbarian. Location, in a gritty industrial steampunk city. Action, wielding a steam-powered battle axe while standing on a pile of defeated enemies. Style, a gritty, highly detailed, and dynamic comic book art style. Parameters, aspect 16, 9 chaos 5 stylize 80. Our final prompt would be digital illustration of a fierce steampunk barbarian wielding a steam-powered battle axe while standing on a pile of defeated enemies in a gritty industrial steampunk city in a gritty, highly detailed, and dynamic comic book art style. Aspect 16:9, Chaos 5, Stylize 80. And there you have it. By using our template and understanding the 6 elements, you can create well-structured and effective prompts for Midjourney to generate amazing images. So go ahead and give it a try. We hope this video helps you unlock your creative potential with Midjourney. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Until next time, keep making the things that make you happy.